Hi guys! So today's episode, we are going to make a minestrone soup. But JJ will be our chef. And here we are preparing our vegetables. And here JJ is the one who peels carrots and also cutting this.
Next is, what is this? Celery. See, celery. Celery.
Beforehand, guys, I teach JJ how to use the knife. And look, he's so happy.
Cutting. Let's see guys, what happened. Like this, small. Okay, cutting. Oh, small, like this. And then do not put that in your eyes, okay? Because let's see what will happen. My eyes is already one. Feel. Look at that. Oh, you're already cutting. But it's okay guys already. Yeah, it makes you cry, but I think mommy cry, not you. So now we put some olive oil. Okay, I think it's hot already. So we are going to put first we are going to saute the carrots. Okay, you're gonna put the carrots first in the pot. Okay, put more olive. Is it fun?
JJ loves to help household chores. He is eager to learn, and when he learns something, he is proud of it. Teaching kids with household chores can build self-esteem and also can give him a sense of being part of the household or the team. And also, as you teach them, remind them the danger and the precautions of what they are doing. Sometimes, as a parents, we want our chores to be done so quick. And if our kids wants to join us, we usually turn them down because we want it to be done faster. But this is a reminder to us as a parents. Kids that showing some interest, teach them and let them be a part of it. Yay, our minestrone is almost done. Seasoning time.
Okay. Next is chickpeas. All of it. It's okay. All of it. This is shell pasta. Yeah, you can put it all. Okay. Careful. Oops. Ayun. And then we're going to mix that one. And the snap paste, and then the cilantro. Look at that, all of it. Come on. Ay. Sige, go. Ganyan talaga guys, pag bata. The celery. Please.
A few moments later.
And this is the finished products. Time to eat, guys. JJ is enjoying his minestrone soup and also with his croissant.
Mommy, this is so yummy.
Of course, you're the one who made it. That is yummy.
Thank you guys for watching. Please follow me.
And
Subscribe
to our channel.
to our channel.